Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fidelity Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a powerful retirement account offering tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on, up to specific annual limits. Fidelity makes it easy to open and manage your account, providing a wide range of investment choices to help your savings grow over time. To contribute to a Roth IRA, you need earned income from a job or self-employment. There are annual contribution limits. For example, it's $7,000 if you're under 50. If you're 50 or older, you can contribute an additional $1,000. Also, your modified adjusted gross income might affect your ability to contribute, potentially phasing out your eligibility.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly simplify your financial thinking, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic resource for anyone building their financial future. Check the description for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your Roth IRA is funded, the next step is investing. Fidelity offers a vast selection of investment vehicles, including individual stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. It's crucial to diversify your holdings to spread risk and aim for consistent growth. Always align your investment choices with your personal risk tolerance and how long you plan to invest. Understanding withdrawal rules is key for a Roth IRA. Qualified withdrawals, taken after age 59 and a half and after the account has been open for 5 years, are completely tax-free and penalty-free. You can always withdraw your original contributions at any time without taxes or penalties. However, non-qualified withdrawals of earnings might be subject to income tax and a 10% penalty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.